Hey everyone, and welcome back to the next part of the Azure Stack HCI FAQ series. Today I will quickly discuss with you on how to migrate from VMware to Azure Stack HCI, as we are getting a lot of questions around the topic. So first question, as always, is there a first-party tool which you could leverage to migrate from VMware to HCI? At the moment, there is only one option, and that's using Virtual Machine Manager to convert your virtual machines within VMware to Hyper-V and then import them into Azure Stack HCI like you would do it with Hyper-V. It's all explained in that article I'm showing you now on the screen, and which I will also link down in the video description. But as not many customers leveraging Virtual Machine Manager, from a Microsoft perspective, there is no other tool right now. So what we're or what my team and also the most practitioners are leveraging for customers is backup tools. So like backup tools from Ataro, VM, Commvault. Those tools are pretty good and perfectly fine to migrate your workload, especially with Veeam. There's an addition for 180 days testing, which normally works perfectly fine for most of the customers, or maybe you have licenses already in place, and you can back up and restore your workloads directly to Azure Stack HCI. There's no live migration, so you will work with a small downtime. So those are the most practical tools that using Veeam, Commvault, Ataro, Veritas. So also backup backup vendors who support the scenario from backing up from VMware and restoring to another platform like Hyper-V or Azure Stack HCI would work. There's also a great video out there with a tool I personally don't know from Metallic Backup Gateway. And how they are doing the migration. I will link you the video because that's from our friends from DataON. Let me link it below in the description, and then you can also see how they are working with Metallic. So shortly summarized, there's from a Microsoft perspective, there's only System Center Virtual Machine Manager, where you can convert virtual machines from VMware directly to Hyper-V, which is working, but it has also a lot of downtime, and you would need to have Virtual Machine Manager in place. Either you're using TriVersion or you're using the one from Visual Studio, but if you don't have the option to at least use it for some days or for some weeks for the migration, there is no option for Microsoft tooling yet. So in the other case, you can use general backup tools who support VMware to HCI restore, and those would perfectly work. I will also link you some more details in the description. If you have any questions, use the comments. Please subscribe to the channel, and there will be another video on how to migrate workloads from Hyper-V to Azure Stack HCI. As you know, Hyper-V replica and also live migration is not supported between Hyper-V and HCI, but therefore I will work with my colleague from the product groups to give you all the details. So subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss that one. Have a great day. Bye.